All right, let's go ahead and find out the volume of a cylinder now. Cylinder, it is a circle, and then it's basically like a tall circle, like circles on top of circles. So let's try out A. Find the volume of each cylinder. The way for us to find the volumes of a cylinder is the same exact thing, your base times the height. So the volume of a cylinder is also base times height. But let's dive into what this base really is. If the base is a circle, how do we find the area of a circle? Again, it's going to be pi r squared. So basically, the volume of a cylinder is going to be pi r squared times h. So all that we really need to find here are these variables r and h, the radius and the height. As long as we have that, we are able to find the volume of a cylinder. Let's go ahead and do that. For A, we already know that our radius is 9 and then our height is 6. So let's input these values. The volume of the cylinder is pi. Now we have r, which is our radius of 9 squared times h, which is our 6. First things first, we have to do the exponent. Times 6. And then let's go ahead and multiply this out over here. 81 times 6. I am not a genius. I have no idea what that is at the top of my head. 81 times 6 is 486. So you can leave your answer in terms of pi. So you could say 486 pi, and this is cubic feet would be great. Or if you wanted to actually approximate this value by multiplying out the pi, we would do 486 pi, which approximates to about 1526.81 cubic feet. So you could do both of these answers. All right, let's go to B. B, we're finding the volume again. Remember, for the volume of a cylinder, it is pi r squared times h. We just need our radius and our height. Thankfully, we are already given both of these values. The radius of the circle is 4 centimeters, and the height here is 7 centimeters. Height is always going to be vertical, up and down only. Some people might think that this diagonal is going to be the height, but it's not. Okay, height is only just up and down. If you are given this value over here, they're trying to trick you. You probably need to use this value and reverse, I don't know, manipulate it in a way where you can find out what the height is. There's gonna be some examples like that. But for this one, let's just input these values. So now we have pi 4 squared times 7. 4 squared is 16 times 7. What is 16 times 7? 112. So in terms of pi, the volume here is going to be 112 pi. Or let's multiply this out. 112 pi. It also approximates to 351.86. And the measurements here are just going to be cubic centimeters. Cubic centimeters. And that's how you can find the volume of a cylinder. All right, that's it. Bye.